A massive fire broke out early on Monday morning at Livana Hotel in Lucknow. At least 2 people lost their lives and several others are feared to be trapped as rescue operations continue. Manoj Agarwal, CMO Lucknow, reported that 10 people have been admitted to the civil hospital as of now, out of which 2 people were brought dead. Police and firefighters are constantly engaged in the rescue operations. Officials said that efforts are being made to safely bring out the people trapped inside the hotel in Jopling Road, and over a dozen fire tenders have been pressed into service to douse the fire. The guests who were injured while being evacuated from the hotel are being rushed to a hospital for treatment, they added. Rescue operation is on and will share any further detail after everything is brought under control, said Divisional Commissioner of Police Aparna Rajat Kaushik. The firefighters resorted to breaking window panes and grills to rescue people as the rooms filled up with smoke due to massive fire, DG Fire Avinash Chandra said in a statement. The cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained, but the police suspect it occurred due to the short circuit. Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath took note of the fire that broke out in a hotel in Lucknow on Monday and directed the officials to provide treatment to the injured. 3 ambulance vehicles arrived at Livana Hotel after the incident was reported, while the injured were taken to the hospital. The hotel does not have any other alternate exit route and the guests got trapped inside the rooms, said a police officer. The Chief Minister has directed the officials of the district administration to provide proper treatment to the injured. Along with this, the district magistrate and senior police officers have been instructed to reach the spot immediately and speed up the relief and rescue operations, read a statement by the Chief Minister's office. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also met the people injured in the fire at Hotel Livana in Hazratganj, Lucknow. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also took note of the incident. I came to know about the tragic incident of fire in a hotel in Lucknow. I have inquired about the situation from the local administration. Relief and rescue operations are on. My office is in constant touch with the local administration. I pray to God for the speedy recovery of those injured in the incident, tweeted Singh.